I'm Ben Chapman, I'm from head office. I've thought the presentation today's been fantastic so far. It's been engaging, people have been entertained, they want to give a response, and they've made comment already, even though it's only been a couple of hours, about how empowering it's been.
My name is Thomas and I'm from Pedders. Today we had MarkCarter presenting to Pedders franchisees, and it was extremely professional, engaging, and we just love it.
Hi, I'm Adam Gillick from Pedders Suspension and Brakes. I'm the Senior Executive of Brand and Marketing. This morning with the rest of our franchise group, we've heard from MarkCarter. He's given us the science on what I believe to be behind how we need to be selling in our stores. And I'm absolutely blown away by the whole presentation. Amazing guy.
Hi, Scott Petter, Managing Director of Pedders Suspension and Brakes. I've enjoyed MarkCarter's presentation so far. The energy, enthusiasm that he brings to sales training is going to put us in great stead. He connects with the stores really, really well, and I think the program is really specific to Pedders. Simple in delivery, simple in messaging, but I think will be a comprehensive sales training program that will put us a step above the competition.
Nicole Howlett from Pedders Suspension and Brakes, Senior Executive of Franchising Standards. As we go into our 75th year of business as an Australian company, I couldn't be more proud that we've worked with MarkCarter on delivering to our teams a further insight on sales training so that we can deliver the most for our customers every day. It's all about a better journey.